Get ready to be transported back in time to an era of opulence and refinement. The finest automotive experience of its era. The 1978 Cadillac Seville is a legendary ride that embodies the essence of classic American luxury, with its sleek design and smooth performance, blending European-inspired styling with timeless Cadillac elegance. A true symbol of luxury and innovation, the 1978 Cadillac Seville redefined American elegance with a bold approach to design, technology, and performance. This masterpiece was not just another luxury sedan, it was a statement, a refined blend of European-inspired styling and classic Cadillac opulence. But what made this model so special? Let's dive deep into its evolution, modifications, interior details, and current value to see why it remains one of the most iconic vehicles of its time. And before we begin, subscribe now to join our community of passionate car enthusiasts who crave the finest automotive stories. Introduced in 1975, the Cadillac Seville was developed as a response to the growing popularity of smaller, more fuel-efficient luxury cars, particularly from European brands like Mercedes-Benz and BMW. The 1978 model, part of the first-generation Seville, stood out with its sharp, angular body lines, refined chrome accents, and an unmistakable presence. Built on the GMK body platform, it was smaller than traditional Cadillacs but packed with advanced technology. The 5.7L V8 with fuel injection delivered smooth power, while its rear-wheel drive configuration ensured a balanced and confident ride. The 1978 Seville Elegant Edition took exclusivity to the next level. Featuring a two-tone exterior, wire-spoke wheels, and a unique vinyl roof, it exuded sophistication. A diesel-powered V8 option was also introduced, making it one of the first luxury sedans to experiment with alternative fuel efficiency. Cadillac continuously refined the Seville, setting the foundation for future models with electronic climate control, digital displays, and premium ride quality. Inside, sumptuous leather upholstery, plush carpeting, and real wood trim elevated the driving experience. Power-adjustable seats, a state-of-the-art AM/FM stereo, and automatic climate control made it one of the most comfortable cabins of its era. The spacious interior, soft closed doors, and whisper-quiet ride ensured that every journey felt first-class. Today, the 1978 Cadillac Seville is a rare collectible. Depending on mileage, condition, and originality, prices range from $10,000 for well-maintained models to over $30,000 for pristine, low-mileage examples. Special edition models and factory-correct restorations fetch even higher values at auctions. So, is the 1978 Cadillac Seville still one of the best representations of classic American luxury? Would you choose it over other vintage sedans from its era? Drop your thoughts in the comments and join our community, where history and horsepower collide.